Hello, it's singing time. I'm very happy to be here singing with you again. We're going to sing some songs we did last week and we're going to do some new songs. Before we sing though, we've got to get ready. First of all, let's get our fingers ready. Can you just give them a little wiggle like this? And then your wrists and your arms, can you get them ready like this? And then all the arms, can you get them ready like this? And then all the shoulders, can you get them ready like this? And your head round really gently, can you get it ready like this? Very good. Can you get your feet ready like this? Very good. And cycle. Oh, excellent. That's our body warmed up. Now how about our voice? Have a big stretchy yawn. Oh, that was good. Did you really stretch your face and also stretch your arms? Let's try again. Stretchy arms, stretchy face, and a stretchy voice. Are you ready? Very good. Let's get our faces ready for singing. Can you move your eyebrows like this? That's good. What about yours? Let's do happy face, sad face, happy face, sad face, happy face. Can you do scared face? Happy face, scared face, sad face. What about cross face? What does your cross face look like? Mine looks like this. Good cross face. Very nice. Let's start getting our voice ready for making some sounds. First of all, let's make some quiet sounds. Can you make this quiet sound? What does it sound like? I think it sounds like the wind or the sea. Let's make another sound. Can you make this sound? Good. Let's make a little bit of a happy sound. Can you go, ah, ah? Imagine someone gave you a present. Ah! Like a happy surprise. Ah! 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 Can you pretend to laugh like with a big fat belly, like, ho, 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 ho. You try it. Ho, 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 ho. Very good. And last of all, actually put your hand on your belly. Let's get those belly muscles making a sound. Can you go shh, 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 like that, really sharp. Shh, shh. Hopefully you feel this belly muscle moving. Shh, shh, shh. What about zzz, 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 zzz? Yeah? Zzz. Good. What about huh, 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 huh? Very nice. That's our body nice and warmed up. Let's start making some high and low sounds. Get your thumb and we're going to go up the hill and down the hill. Are you ready? We're going to go up the hill and down the hill. I'll move back so you can see me. And up the hill and down the hill. Can you use a good low voice and a good high voice. And up the hill and down the hill. And up the hill and down the hill. Very good. We're nice and warmed up. Let's say hello. Can you wave hello? It's our hello song. Say hello, hello, say hello, hello, say hello, hello, say hello, hello. But of course, we're very clever, so let's say it in Arabic. Can you say Assalamu alaikum, Assalamu alaikum? Say Assalamu alaikum, Salam alaikum, say Salam alaikum, Salam alaikum, say Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum, say Assalamu alaikum, Salam alaikum. Let's say it in French. Bonjour, bonjour. Let's sing say bonjour. 1, 2, 3. Say bonjour, bonjour. Say bonjour, bonjour. Say bonjour, bonjour. Say bonjour, bonjour. We're nice and warmed up. Our first song. Oh, let's do the make a face song. Do you remember this one? We sung it a few weeks ago. It's can you make a face like this? And then we make silly faces. What silly faces can you make? Ooh. That's a scary one. Well done. Let's sing it. Can you make a face like this? 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 What's another good funny face? What about this one? Like that. It's a good stretch of your face, isn't it? Can you make a face like this? Can you make a face like this? And can you make a face like this? Can you make a face like this? Good! Do you remember our song about Mrs. Santana? It went, Mrs. Santana, why is the baby cross? Because of an apple that he has lost. I will give you one, I will give you two. One for the baby and one just for you. You. Very good. If you haven't learnt this one already, you could look at the old singing assemblies on the music blog www.music@rushmore.blogspot.com, because this is week 3 and I've taught you this song in week 1 and week 2, so if you need to learn it, go back there. Are you ready with the actions? I'm going to play the guitar. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mrs. Santana, why is the baby cross? Because of an apple that he has lost. I will give you one, I will give you two. One for the baby and one just for you. You. Good. Do you remember we learned it in Spanish last week? Let's sing it slowly. It went, Señora Santana, porque llora el niño por una manzana que se le ha perdido. Yo te daré una, yo te daré dos. Una para el niño y otra para vos. Vos. Are you ready? We'll do it with the guitar. Señora Santana, porque llora el niño por una manzana que se le ha perdido. Yo te daré una, yo te daré dos. Una para el niño y otra para vos. Vos. Mrs. Santana, why is the baby cross? Because of an apple that he has lost. I will give you one, I will give you two. One for the baby and one just for you. You. Good. Right, we're going to pretend to be animals.